Good afternoon, traders. This is Raksha from Absolute Analytics. A quick recap first of the Nifty prices because I've already mentioned the details of Nifty yesterday. So just go and check the details there. So in Nifty, first thing is the ORB here for the day. Only change is the ORB for the day, the intraday one. Now this is for the day of 7th of May. The ORB is in between 24,423, 24 around that range, and 24,300. So that is the range of ORB here. Now, the the different ORB which I was talking yesterday, I'll be explaining that in another video, and that is about. I'll just mention that is about just a weekly and for the monthly range, and that weekly and monthly range is important because that will give us the direction of where the major trend would be shifting. So based on that, because intraday is based on the major and trend, and major is based on the primary one, so we have to take care of the higher time frames. And that is the case here. Yesterday it took the support at monthly range low and it breached the monthly range high, took the support there. Today it fell down but took the support of the higher of the monthly range. That means it is respecting the range and it is in a bullish side right now. It gave a liquidity sweep downwards, again gave a liquidity sweep upwards. So mostly when such cases happen, when there is the both side are hit, the rest of the day is generally, and if we talk theoretically, it is in the range bound motion only. It will be in the range bound momentum. So that's why I've already updated in the morning that Nifty will be in range bound motion afterwards. Once there was a sudden spike in the price, and there was a sudden downfall again. So that is about the Nifty. Today I am giving you the key levels of Bank Nifty in this trade. Everything is similar, just as the Nifty chart which you saw right now, except these two, the teal colored, the this greenish teal colored zones. I will explain you what is that, and that is also one very important concept of market structure. So the ORB, I'll just cover the first major, the similar part, that is the ORB, and the ORB is between 56,150 to 55,820, and 1 hour ORB that has already been breached here. Monthly has already been breached here. The blue lines here are the monthly one. So it is in the bullish zone, but it is still ranging. The range bound movement, a very common indicator which many people use. It's very common. That is the ADX. When definitely the ADX would be below 10 or below at least 14 to 10. At least I think depending on this range, I think it will be below 10 only. So for checking the daily ADX, I would suggest you to go and check for daily chart time frame. And yeah, that is 9.69. That gives the clarity why we have the range bound as of now. There are too many aspects of how to read ADX that I'll cover later again. There is one more topic to be covered for the structure part. Right now, at present, that is the range bound moment is there. And even if it breaks the ORB back again upside, there is a big resistance zone in between 56,580 to 56,220. Now I'll explain you what exactly is this range. So, if you have been following me and if you have been following my videos, I have explained that the long candles, give it a correct example, the long candles like this one here, that is 2nd March 2026, something like this here, 1st October, if based on a monthly time frame, of course, it's a very long one. So these kinds of candles, the middle portion, the mid of the range of the middle range of this candle, the long candles act as strong support and resistances. This is what is the calculation exactly. This is the range of the average of so that is the middle part of the range of this long candle, this the lower one. It is acting as a support here. And if we check the nearby candles, this is the long candle here of 1st October 2025, and the middle range is acting as a resistance as of now. This thing we have to keep updating when we are trading, when we are having when we are updating the charts. So these will keep on changing. So getting back to 15 minutes time frame, even if we have um, even if we have the upside breakout here, the bullish moment, or we can say the bullish rally, would commence only when the price is breaching this resistance zone here, the one, this one. Okay, so once it breaches this range, it will taking the retest, it will going back, something like this is expected in the in the rally of bank nifty. There is the key levels here. So the key levels for the immediate resistance here is, first thing first is the ORB range for the intraday, and that is 56,150, and then the second range, which is 56,212 to 215. Once it is done, it takes a support of 56,220, then it'll go till 56,570 to 575. That's the nearest one. I'll keep updating the chart, and if there is any doubt, you can just drop in the comment. I'll be explaining what exactly is the doubt all about. So not much of a drama or action today, just simple trade. Let's keep it like that. It is not necessary to trade daily like the 9 to 5 job. So let's make good profits when we have a good proper rule based opportunity in the structure.